windows that toast the sea, whitewashed walls and lemon trees. Whether it's a flat or a villa grand, they'll find your place in paradise land. Cada rincón tiene magia real, una vida tranquila, un sueño ideal. Sunshine and stone, stories untold, in every corner treasure to hold. Llaves al sol, llaves al sol, where every sunset feels like gold. In Marbella's charm of free and heat all the nights, Robin Hood finds where your heart feels right. Desde la costa hasta el interior, ven, vive con amor. Vamos juntos